What's up, guys? How you doing today? What I'm showing you here is the difference between a 10-bit or 110-bit color OLED 1 billion color and the normal one that's been used. For example, in the middle here is the Realme X2 Pro, and you can see that let me just reduce the color a little bit. Even if I reduce it a lot, it's not gonna be as good as viewing from the Oppo Find X3 here or the Motorola 20 Pro, Edge 20 Pro. So these both panels are really excellent, as you can see on the right to the left. They give you the accurate color, the clear background, so there's no issues with the lighting. So it's very, very accurate. That's why it's actually labeled as a 1 billion color. So these screens, the two screens here from the Motorola Edge 20 Pro and the Oppo Find X3 are really actually great, as opposed to the one we have on the Realme X2 Pro 2 years ago. Well, all of them are OLED, but the colors and the depth of colors and the clarity of the image is different here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. I believe we can here. No, we cannot do this. Anyways, let me just try to actually flip this here, and so you can see it even further. And I think this is the closest I can get, but I want you to actually take note on how the colors are presented here, and all of them are very, very, as you can see, very, very clear. Let me just tap in again here. Okay, so here, as you can see, the color on the hand, the texture is way better. You can see the background, both screen is different. The color is accurate. It's the same picture, but here it's more blown out. It's not as clear. The color is a little bit shifty, but this is more, these two screens are really great. So yeah, this is just a quick look, guys, regarding the screens of OLEDs. Yes, they are different. They are not the same, but the new technologies give you better viewing experience, as you can see in these two flagship phones. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in another video.